dusk we sit and type away. The screens are canvas lines of code we lay. With coffee mugs and weary eyes we stay, creating worlds where numbers lead the way. In HTML we build our dreams so bright, adding colors with CSS we write. JavaScript brings action to our site. Through endless nights we'll see the morning light. Oh, the code that ties us through the night. In the darkness our screens shining so bright, lines of logic and algorithms type. In this dance we code until it's right. Break the code and errors will appear, but perseverance drives away the fear. Collaborate and help is always near. With every line we hold what we hold dear. Endless loops, but we unlock the doors. The syntax sings while our tired fingers soar. Compiling hearts, but never keeping score. In digital realms we've come to explore. Oh, the code that ties us through the night. In the darkness our screens shining so bright, lines of logic and algorithms type. In this dance we code until it's right. Sitting by my screen so bright, typing in the code all night. HTML tags line the frame, building my password game. CSS to style it clean, colors pop like a dream. Button clicks are soft and true, shaping the interface anew. JavaScript whispers in the dark, making passwords hit the mark. Every line a careful craft, keeping them secure with math. Try and fail and try again, debugging with a steady hand, looping through each character. I feel like an adventure. Rejects, patterns, blends and thread, catching errors where they tread. From lowercase to uppercase, numbers fit right in their place. Brackets close and commerce too, syntax dancing through and through. Console logs reveal the flow, watch the validation grow.